Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. We are already done with 80 words and today we'll start with the next set of 20 words. Our focus will be on do, day, did, down. So let's start with do. D-O-do. I do, you do, I will do it. I'll do my best. You do your best. I do my homework every day. Do you? Yes, I do my homework. Do you have any brothers and sisters? Yes, I have one sister. What do you do? It is you are asking very politely, what do you do for a living? You ask about someone what their job is. So I work for SIB as an assistant manager. What kind of work do you do? I am a nurse. Where do you live? Do you like cooking? Yes, I do. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English fluently. Do you like to travel? I love to travel. Do you work or study? I'm working. Can I ask what you do? I'm an English teacher. What do you do for a living? I'm a software developer. I have a lot of work to do. Do you accept credit cards? Yes, we do. What do you do on Sundays? Not much. It's a rest day for me. Do you know her? No, I don't. Why do you ask? What do you want? The next word is did. It did, what did, how did it? What did he say? What did she say? Where did you go? I went to the market. Did you take a bath? I'm going to have my bath now. Did you like the movie? Yes, I liked it. Did you clean your room? I'll do it now. Why did you get so angry? What happened? Nothing much. What did you have to eat? I had idli. What did you have to eat? I ate idli sambar. What did you say to Parul? Parul did her best to help Trisha. Nice haircut. Where did you get your hair cut? We did a lot of singing and dancing at the party. Did you see the sunset? It was really beautiful. The next word is day. 1 day, 2 days, every day, one more day. Day by day, day after day. What a beautiful day. Have a good day. Have a nice day. There are 24 hours in a day. An average person sleeps 8 hours a day and works 8 hours a day. What we do with the remaining 8 hours every day makes a huge difference. Focus on it. Focus on a target day by day and keep working on it, and you will be successful. You will see the progress day after day with your focus. I walk every day. Do you? How was your day? Very nice. It's a sunny day. It's a rainy day. It's a cloudy day. What day is it today? Today is Sunday. I have 5 more days to submit the project. The wind blew all day. The next word is down. Sit down, going down, fall down, write down, climb down. Please sit down. Don't cry, Nia. Calm down. Tia bent down to pick her pen. The tree fell down. Yesterday, the internet was very slow. The server was down. Write down your name here. Count from 10 down to 0. The TV is too loud. Turn down the volume, please. Rakhi, climb down the tree or you will fall down. Rakhi, climb down from the tree. So as every time I say, keep practicing, listen and repeat each of the exercises. ट्रांसलेशन से सिर्फ इंग्लिश भाषा की समझ होगी आपको. ट्रांसलेशन द्वारा इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं सीख सकेंगे आप. सो कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग, लिसनिंग and repeating English in English only. That's all in today's lesson. Meet you again. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.